Today I want to show you guys this helicopter I got for my kids and I ended up playing more than them. It is really cool toy RC helicopter. Uh, it has really nice details as you can see here, and it is really solid. I crashed it so many times because I hit on the wall and on the ceiling and it just fell down, and it just holds up really well. So you have couple of replacement blades and they are very easy to replace. I really like the way they designed this. You don't need to use a tool, you just hold it and just take it out just like that. You can see it just goes inside. This very clever way of just replacing without the need to use screwdriver. I just want to show you guys how it operates. You get two battery like this and they hold up about like 25-30 minutes, so that is really good. So once you turn on the unit, you will see this light will flash and you will just go up and down and it will just uh, make it ready. So once it's ready, you can just hit this. It will just power the unit, and then you can just go ahead and give full blast. And you can see here, you can just uh, easily play with it. You can go up or down, and the way it works really well, it will just turn 360. You can see here, it is really cool. So you can just control it very easily. If you get used to it, you can see it goes back and forth, very easy to operate. I really like the way it goes. So it has some feature. If it's in the air, you can press this down and it will just land. So if it's just on the ground, you press the same button again, you can see it will just but you make sure that there is no obstacle. So let's put this back here. So once it's ready, you can just press uh, so once the light is flashing, you need to make sure that you just go up and down. So I just press this button again, you can see it just goes up, and you can see it just goes just like that. So really cool helicopter. I really like it, very easy to maneuver around. The kids love it, I enjoy playing with it. So I hope you guys will enjoy as well. Thank you for watching.